Hello everyone, my name is Tikua. Today's video wanna bring you new stories. We are in Chwarongo. As you can see, I'm so impressed as you can see, don't know if you can see very well. There's someone digging there, right there. It's preparing the land to put on they are planting the maize or corn. So most of the time we normally know the people who used to do farming things. They are from the village, Katima, Wamboland, Kawango. But now here also in Chwarongo they are doing the maize thing. As you can see, huge land, but they are doing it with the hoe. They are digging with the hoe. As you can see that man right now, if you can see nice. There's no tractor, there's no ox. So especially like at my village where I come from, you may find people they can give such an excuse that no, they cannot do such a thing because they don't have ox. But here, most of them, I will show you. I wish I could interact some of them to ask them or to interview them. But as you can see, they have covered with this, so they may be angry. So I also impressed that I come to realize that the Zembas also, they are also doing this, because most of the people who are doing this is they are Kawangos and Wambos and Privi and Zembas. So if you do not hear, those are the people who are doing this. Most of them, they cannot do this. As you can see, like, this one come with the car. It is parked there somewhere there, if you can see. And the other one is parked behind me there. The bus, they come and do farming. So